Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This video is about coloring wood with natural plant matter to dye it, and it will dye it. Just think about when you're a kid and got stains in the knees of your pants that would last forever even through washing. This does the same thing. So this is just some material. I'm going to take and carve some of these rough edges off of it, just kind of make it more smooth, because the way that I do it, if you're not careful, you can get a splinter or a sliver, if you want to call it that, if you're from northern latitudes. But just smoothed it up a little bit. And I actually think maybe smoothing it up may make it more difficult to absorb some of the juices from your plant. But it's crazy simple. Like, this is just one that I picked up out of the yard. I used this on a frog I had made the other day. Foo-foo, let me do my video. And just like that. And different plants give you different shades sometimes. And I know that sounds kind of silly, but it does. Like this is, here's a piece of plantain. This one I'm going to fold it up a few times. What else we got right here close? Here's just some grass. Fish, that's Dad's, buddy. Don't take it from me. Hang on. Lift it up a little bit. Here's the plant that I used the first time. And this green, this is the same one I used on the frog. It'll stay pretty bright green for quite some time. The sun, of course, will make it fade a bit. But if you put it on there and let it dry, it will change the color. Here are some clover. Put clover on there just so you can see the difference. It's all slightly different. And how it performs. Still looks like this is going to be the brightest or darkest, I should say. It smells good, rubbing it on all this. Butch is throwing up in the background. But yeah, pretty simple way to dye materials. And the wood's different too, depending on, this is the same species of wood. I believe it's some sort of ash. But, give me this back. You know, if it were to be pine, it may take it a little different, or hardwoods, of course, it isn't going to absorb as much as a lighter colored wood, of course. But anywho, I just wanted to share. That was how I did that frog the other day. Feel free to like and subscribe. Check out our older stuff, including the frog, on the Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. We'll find it. Check out bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Until the next one. Thanks, guys.